Here I have REALME C1. Let me show you how to block calls and messages on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and select here System Apps. Then from the following apps, let's choose Call and tap Block. So as you can see here, you can block calls and messages right here. You can, for example, choose the blacklist and create the blacklist to block the numbers. You can enter number or select number from the contacts. You can also go back and use whitelist to don't block the following numbers by using also the add button. So that's it. After inserting the SIM card, you can also set up some rules to block calls and messages. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.